Jamie with Not Too Shabby. Welcome back. Today we are doing a fun little hop. Meet the design team. Come hop with me. We have some of the design team members creating projects for you today. Just hop to each link that's provided in the description box below and get to know some of our design team members. Some of our design team members couldn't make it today, but if you head on over to my blog post, I have a post with all the links to their channels. Today we're sharing some of our favorite Not Too Shabby products. Now you know I love gnomes. So I picked this cute little strawberry gnome stamp set. It's called I Pick You. It's adorable. I really love these two characters. And I thought I'd pair it up with the Sweet Strawberries paper pad that's in the shop. It's really cute with all these strawberry themed images. And then I want to pair up one of the sheets of paper with the spring gingham. So all the links to the products will be in the description box for you. I'm going to color up this cute little gnome. Now I have a hard time deciding which guy I want to color. I think I'm going to color this one. I have a card example, I'll share that on the screen for you, of this guy here. So I want to color this one. I love those braids. Let's pick out the sheet of paper I want to use. I think I want to use this one with the green, and then we'll have green gingham on the bottom. So there's two different shades of green on this paper pad. So there's one on the front and one on the back, and I think this one's going to match better, so I'm going to use this side. There's also another sheet in here. I'm wondering if that would look better. We have the one with just the strawberries. Let's see. You know what? I think I'm going to use this one. All right, so we're going to use these two sheets of paper. Let's get out our Copic friendly paper. I'm stamping with Memento Tuxedo Black ink. I thought it'd be fun to color the image with the red, pink, and green theme. I always love taking color inspiration from my pattern paper. That way I know it's all going to match, it's going to look cohesive, and you're going to get a great result. So I'm using the reds here to color up the strawberries. I'm going to play some music, and you can enjoy the coloring, and I'll meet you back when the card is finished.
And that completes the finished card. I hope you enjoyed this. Please hop on over to the next creator and see what they created for you. I'll have all the links in the description box. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and I'll catch you real soon. Bye, guys.